on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley Cairo if you are new, and if you are a returning subscriber, I'm so glad you guys are back for another video. I would hate for you guys to miss all of the back to school giveaways and fun stuff we've got going on, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. And if you guys are excited about the back to school series, give this video a thumbs up. Please share this stuff because it's all kinds of content that you students and people going back into the workforce are going to need. So please, I would so appreciate it if you guys gave this video a share because I'm super excited about this series and I want everyone else to be excited about it. So for today's video, I thought because I was super excited and I didn't want to wait to show you my setup, I would just share with you what I got. So the team over at Erin Condren, they have always been so gracious to me and they have provided us with giveaways every single year for as long as we've been doing this series. And I wanted to share my back to school haul with you guys because it is very student oriented, and I did share the other day that I will be going back to school for something and I wanted you guys to guess what it was. And if you guys want to know more about it and you want study tips and things like that, leave a comment down below and thumbs up. But I wanted to share with you guys a haul before I jumped on into my setup videos because I was just too excited to wait. Let's see the new academic planner from Erin Condren. Now, just a little disclaimer, my covers are coming in the mail because I custom ordered them. So I don't have covers yet, but by the time this video goes up, I will probably have overlays. I always try to switch up my Erin Condren products each year. That way I can give you guys honest reviews on all the different spreads and things that they come out with. I did the hardbound life planner last year. We're going back to the coiled, but we're trying the academic setup and the monthly deluxe. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I use the monthly deluxe. I think you're gonna be really excited. I just need to start showing you and stop talking. I know we all love accessories, so we're gonna start with that. And this is pretty cool. So this is the new lunch tote. It's made from neoprene, so like, you know, scuba gear. And I love that it is flat because sometimes I just don't want to have a clunky lunch box or anything like that. And you can pick out different patterns. I love this. It's just so cool. It's a little sack. So convenient. You could, like, once you're done with it, you can actually like stick it into your work bag or your book bag, and you don't have to have multiple stuff. You're not lugging a ton of stuff to the car. I think it's so smart. You could literally fold it up. So this is their new, oopsies. So these are the new storage boxes, which I think was very clever on their part. But you can just keep your stickers or any type of planner accessories in there. They have different patterns and has the little magnetic closure. A couple new things that are more for the academic. They also have some fun new planner things like these 12 page flags in different colors. Super fun. They're adhesive. You can mark off different things in your calendar. Don't worry, I will be sharing with you guys how I plan on using these. These are just great for like your textbooks or marking important stuff in your notes that may be on a test. And because they're different colors, you can pick different colors for different courses and keep everything really organized. Now, if you have issues with making your planner pretty the way that I do, because I kind of get in a rut with it sometimes, they came out with a calligraphy stencil sheet, which is so cool, and I cannot wait to use this in my planner. Oh, I'm over the moon about that. They also released some stick-on patches, which is super fun. You can put these on literally anything, a notebook, a planner, your phone case, pencil pouch, just really cute. They also came out with stylish storage box metallic dividers. They come with 3, so you can organize your box. Let's say you have like theme stickers or different things like note tabs or anything like that. You guys can put that in there. Also, I ordered some extra accessories with my covers, so I will be sharing with you guys the extra dividers and clip-in things that I got for my planners. I love this new weekly to-do list that they have because I'm trying to minimize how many planners I have, so that way I can actually adhere this to my planner and use this like specifically for maybe work-related stuff or school-related stuff, and my actual daily pages can be used for a different thing. So I just like that I can keep it all together, but also still have the option to keep it separate visually. We also have some new sticker sheets. So these are the 3D puffy sticker sheets. Very, very cute. I'd probably put these on like the outside of my planner. These are the doodle and desk sets. So they're like cute little illustrated metallic ones, and there's 3 sticker sheets in here. Okay, so the monthly deluxe planners, I have mine in the neutral theme. You can also do color. I'm gonna be using this for a budget planner and keeping track of my bills and all of that. So when you open it up, you get a quote. You get your year at a glance, which is where I track sinking funds, but again, I'll be going into depth with you on this. You have some extra motivation is what gets you started, planning is what keeps you going. You can kind of choose how you want to set this up. I'll probably do monthly tasks or monthly lists or whatever. So for January, you just get a month at a glance, and then you get 1, 2, 3. So a bunch of lined paper. So you don't have to use this for a budget. You could totally use this to keep track of your editorial calendar or projects for school, but it's the same setup each month. And then the back, you have until 2020 on these pages with some to-do list areas and an area to write in the coming year. So like if you're using this for a budget and you wanted to plan, you know, a vacation, a wedding, something big like that, then you get some more note pages, and they're all just different colors up at the top. And the stickers in the back are event stickers that you can write in yourself. And then there also is the back pocket folder, and it's double-sided. And like I said, I will be going over these much more in depth in upcoming videos, so make sure you guys click that subscribe button if you want to be notified. The academic planner. So definitely a little thicker than the deluxe monthly planner. You have the option to put your school name down there now. You do get the year at a glance, which is great for you guys. Now here is the fun part. This is the spreads. So these are the project and exam pages. You could also, if you're not a student, so I don't know if you guys can see that. If you're not a student, I think this works really well for just like work-related projects or house-related projects, because it's giving you a structured area to put the details, what it's for, deadlines, important dates, and I always wanted that in the Erin Condren Planner just for work in general. So I don't think you have to necessarily be a student to get a lot out of this spread. You get a bunch of those pages. I'll have the details of how many on the screen. And then mine starts in August, which is yellow this year. You get your traditional month at a glance. It's dated, get the little sidebar, and then the weekly spreads now, which I really like. Here, we'll go to one that's all yellow, because it still has some July stuff in there. So I love this because you have a smaller box here. This is where I would just put if I have any specific places that I need to be that day. And then you could do important deadlines, things that need to stick out that you need to remember there, things that you're posting or projects that are due, and then a to-do list. So I really like the structure of this. It'll help me to, I think, be way more organized in my personal planner this year, and I'm very excited about that. Each month is a different color. You also get 2 note pages after each month. 2 extra note pages, which I think is more than usual. So I love that. That's really nice. So you can use that for all kinds of things. It'll be fun to come up with what we're doing. Because like I said, I'm trying to minimize how many planners I have this year, and I'm going to be tracking a lot this year, which I will go more in depth about. So my planner ends in July of 2019. You get some extra note pages, another one of those, in the coming year kind of things. For your stickers, you get, and again, you can go onto Erin Condren and customize these. And I'll have my link down below to where you guys can save $10 on your first account, or your first order, excuse me. So you guys can check that out. But you have exam, test, read, study group, no class, and then some blank stickers. So I am super excited for these products. I'm gonna jump into the covers and the extra accessories. So I said when the rest of my Erin Condren order came in, I would share with you guys what I got. This is the planner portfolio covers. I didn't think I was going to really need this, but I'm so glad that I got it because I have a few different ideas for you guys, but I customized mine. If anyone's wondering, this is the sapphire blue color. I'll put the pattern name on the screen. It's not organized because I just threw all my stuff in it, but so a couple extra goodies that I purchased and I'm excited to try out. These little snap-in dashboards. I'm trying to get away from having so much paper and like lists everywhere, so I'm gonna try doing the dry, or I guess it's wet erase. A little meal planner one. I purchased some more budget stickers for my monthly deluxe planner. These are the transparent colorful dots, which I will also be using in my budget planner, so stay tuned for that setup video. Just a little to-do one, and I think What's at the back? A savings tracker. This is a little stars and stripes sticker sheet because it matches my planner. Now this is the school tracker, but I'm actually going to be using this as my work to-dos in my planner, so that way I can have one planner this year. And I'll show you how I use that. This is the cover that I got. It says bold stripes, bright stars, brave hearts, and then me and Kyle is in the Navy. So it's cool because you can put your planner in the back here. It's very sturdy, and then you can have all your accessories. So I was thinking about doing this and getting another one for like my Bible journaling stuff and just like, or my art stuff. And that way when I want to travel, everything's in one of these portfolios and I can just put it in my bag. The other two covers I got just because I needed one for my monthly deluxe. And then eventually my family planner will be a lot more of like me and Kyle together. And this might be cheesy, but I thought it was cute. It has the inside cover like this. And then I didn't realize that I did the same picture. I thought I did two different ones. And then this is for the budget planner, and it just says hard work pays off. Green to represent finances, and it matches that, which I like. And you guys can use my code. I will have it here. You guys can receive $10 off your Erin Condren purchase if you guys want to pick any new goodies up. So have their new dual tip markers and their wet erase markers, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I set all of this up and keep it organized, as well as how I keep like my planning, or is it planning pouch? Is that what this is called? Organized. So that way you're not scattering all your products around and stuff like that. So I hope you guys liked seeing this haul. I have a couple more planner related hauls and videos for you guys coming out. If you have not clicked that subscribe button yet, go ahead, click it and turn on the notifications, as well as follow along on social media because we are doing exclusive giveaways over there for the back to school season. But as always, I hope you're doing well, and I will see you in the next video.